Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you free Euro pack how to play Euro main chapter in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap on UEFA Euro. This is the Euro intro and let's jump into the second chapter. Sorry, I need to turn on the do not disturb. So in this Euro main chapter, all you have to do is warm up, play skill games to earn a journey point. As you can see, I already got 610 of journey point from playing 3 skill games and 1 daily match. So for example, if you play this daily match, you can collect up to 50 journey point, the legendary one. So you can play this once per day. And also, this is the Euro journey. New chapter will be available in 2 weeks, around 16. This is the first chapter, the group stage. So you can play this match. You can choose your team, for example, Germany. Also, you can choose the difficulties. So legendary, you got 100 journal point. And you can claim reward, free Euro standard pack. Let's claim it. So we got coin and also some player. And the second match, we got a Spain versus Croatia. You can choose the difficulties. Again, if you choose a legendary, you can get 100 journal points. Next, you can play one skill game, one match to claim a free Euro pack again. This is the guaranteed reward, 1 Euro best player. So next available match is Serbia versus England. So you can confirm and choose the difficulties. Again, 100 journal point if you choose legendary, you can earn 1 journal point. So you can choose the gameplay. You can prepare the game plan first before going to the match. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. Enjoy the game.